Good day, everyone. During the COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of people were singing the praises of RFK Jr. And saying that he was fighting against what was happening worldwide during the COVID-19 pandemic, specifically fighting against COVID vaccines and many other things, saying that people should have choices, and I completely agree with that people should have a choice, and the government shouldn't force people to take any medical anything of any kind. Freedom of choice is super important to me. But I want people that sung his praises and practically worship the man, that you need to understand what is behind everything that is done. And when big money is spent to get someone into a certain position, you need to ask questions. Because I said at the end of the day, what will be the main aim will be to monitor, track and trace our every move. And here RFK Jr. has come forward to say that he is encouraging all Americans to use wearable tech to track their health. And he wants this to happen within the next 4 years. So by 2030, he wants all Americans to be wearing health trackers. And a lot of people are concerned about this. I'll give you many links in the description below this video, as well as in the first comment, so that you can go and read many different viewpoints, etc. on this. But I'm looking at Fox News here, a conservative broadcaster who is owned by one of the committee of 300 members, Rupert Murdoch. And in this piece on Fox News, it says US Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. said on Tuesday that it is his vision that every American is wearing a wearable within 4 years. So he calls it wearable devices, and people are concerned about this. I'm not going to go into too much detail. In Politico it says Junior wants a wearable on your wrist with a picture of all different wrist wearables that you can think of. And then there's articles about people being concerned about this, especially people in the left-leaning media, which is kind of two-faced, because they are concerned that all of a sudden that he wants people to wear things that can monitor, track and trace your moves, as well as your medical condition. And they say in a headline, RFK Jr.'s latest health proposal raises some very important questions. And, you know, they're talking about ethics and security when they have had exactly the same thing in the past. You know, talking about people being monitored, tracked and traced in every way and means that you can think of. So at the end of the day, whether you're a Republican or a Democrat, the monitoring, tracking and tracing, implementing that system will be run by either administration. It doesn't matter which party you're from. And here on Yahoo, in BuzzFeed, it says security experts are raising the alarm over RFK Jr.'s proposal to put the health tracking devices on every American. Now, what happens in America is normally pushed in the rest of the world, and you will see how this unfolds in future. But I warned people back then and said, do not trust the man. Do not trust him. And this is where people are weak. They listen to something they like, one thing, or two things, or three things. But they do not ask the important questions. How does this person feel about your freedom of choice? And how does that apply to monitoring, tracking, and tracing, especially government's ability to monitor, track, and trace you? So you need to ask these questions. It's important. As I said, I'll give you links to all of these articles so you can go and read them. Here's another one on CNET. RFK Jr. announces all Americans need health tracking devices. Here are the pros and cons. You know, at the end of the day, every person should have the freedom of choice to do whatever the heck they want, as long as you're not hurting someone else directly. And if you want to wear these devices, that's 100%, that's fine. But when a government is promoting and pushing something, just like during the vaccines, he's going to be running ad campaigns. He's going to have outreaches to tell people to wear these devices. It's for your health. But you will know at any given moment in time where that person is, what their situation is. These devices could have microphones, cameras, all sorts of things built in. It can look at all your circumstances at that moment in time and feed that back to a government database. And this is what you need to understand. And a lot of people said in the past, Desmond, these are just conspiracy theories. These things will never happen. You can have digital health IDs attached to this. There's so many things you can attach to this. And because the man is fighting against vaccines and all the anti-vaxxers are praising him and basically worshipping the man, doesn't mean that he cares about your freedom. And how people see freedom can be very different to the way I see freedom and the way you see freedom. Tell me in the comments how you feel about this. Go and read the articles. Go and listen to what he said. And tell me if you still trust the man. Thanks so much for watching this video. Till the next video.